DIY, only 2 ingredients and your hair will love it. Use it once a week for massive hair growth. This gel is amazing for length retention, which is actually the most effective way to get longer hair. This is my hair journey natural curly hair vlog. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified to have more videos. And follow me on my Instagram and my jewelry, Chablee.com. Hey, I'm Chablee, you guys. This is my hair length. It's like down my back now. I cannot believe it. This DIY has really helped me improve my hair texture, quality, the strength of my hair, the shine of my hair, and my curl pattern. This DIY has just helped me so much maintaining my hair length too, you guys. So watch this video all the way through so you know how to make this DIY and how to apply it to your hair to get fast hair growth. First, you need bottled water. I prefer spring. The fire should be at a low minimum, and you need a pot and you need some flax seeds. So I put approximately about 3 to 4 spoonfuls in there. Just don't put too much because they really expand very quickly. Alright, so I give it a nice stir so it's not sticking on the bottom or anything. And your second ingredient is organic cinnamon. You could use the cinnamon stick, but I prefer the grind cinnamon, and then I just put about half of a teaspoon in there, and that's going to give it a great smell. And cinnamon does so much great things for your hair, and I will list all of those great things closer to the end of this video of why I'm putting cinnamon in my flaxseed gel. Now you see that, y'all? That's that flaxseed forming right when it gets gunky and kind of like mucusy on top. That's what we want. Yes. Wow, this DIY flaxseed gel is amazing, you guys. It smells good too because the cinnamon. My hair loves this stuff. So longer you cook it, thicker it gets. So it just depends on what type of gel you like using, thicker or thin. I like in between, so I still kind of want it a little bit runny so I could have a lot of slip in my hair of applying it. Thick, it can just look a little chunky. So I'm just gonna strain it. It looks like it's pretty much ready. Now you see how it looks, you guys. So if yours doesn't come out like that, or it's a little bit runny, it's fine. But if it comes out a little too thick, you might not like it as much. You might need to add a little bit more water. So you can use a cheesecloth to drain it. You can use my drainer that I'm using here, or I really like using a stocking cap, but I'm all out right now. So, you know, this is extremely hot, so don't like really try to touch it. I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit and let it do its job, just draining it out, and then I'm going to force it out a little bit more once I let it cool off like this. Yes, you see that gel trying to pop out of there? That's good stuff. Alright, perfect. So when I get all this flaxseed gel away from the seeds, because you don't want those seeds to get stuck in your hair, that's why we're doing this, you guys, I'm gonna place it in a glass. You can place it in a glass bowl. I prefer glass bowl than plastic. And now I'm gonna sit it in the refrigerator for a little bit so it can cool off, and my hair likes it when it's nice and cold too. And I know why, because cold water seals moisture in the hair, which leaves the scalp hydrated, y'all. So it's probably the same thing with any cold product that you apply in your hair. It can really help your hair follicles, and unlikely it can help your hair from falling out too. So yeah, make sure it's nice and chilled, y'all. Not frozen or anything, but just chilled a little bit. I'm gonna get ready to apply this in my natural curly hair. So I made for sure that my hair is completely detangled, and I finger detangled it, and it's a little damp. I'm just going to do it in sections as I apply small portions in my hair using my demi brush or detangler brush. I really love using these type of brushes. There it is in the right corner. I'll leave the link down below. I got it on Shein, I believe, for only like $3 or $4. Just amazing brush. I just love this brush. Back to this hair. So wow, it's just great slip. I just love how it feels and it smells amazing. So I'm going to go into all the benefits of using cinnamon and flaxseed in your hair, y'all. Okay, so why I decided to use this cinnamon in this DIY, you guys, for one thing, it smells amazing. The next thing, did you know that putting cinnamon in your hair, it's going to help stimulate your scalp? But y'all didn't know that. It does. It actually helps hair growth and reduces hair loss. I love that. And it has fungal properties, which might help treat dandruff caused by emphysema or any types of fungal. So that's why it's good to put a little bit of cinnamon up in that hair, and it helps remove like buildup on your scalp. So you can maintain a healthier scalp so you can speed up your hair growth. Yes, that's why I decided to apply cinnamon in more of my DIYs. Alright, so now let's talk about this flaxseed. Like, why are we even putting it in our hair? Flaxseed does contain vitamin E. That's really great for hair growth and a healthy hair scalp. Now, if you guys don't have time to really be making this DIY, you can just go ahead and put these flax seeds and sprinkle them in your salad. You can put them on top of your salmon. I mean, you can just go ahead and just straight up eat them, or just put them in your smoothie, okay? So enough said. But if you do feel like making this flaxseed gel like I am taking my time out right now, I'm getting results, and this is no joke. Look at that. It's just so shiny and stuff, y'all. It's just so easy to detangle my hair right now, and I'm just applying it on midway and parting my hair in sections as I put it on each little piece using my demi brush to brush out the ends, and then I'm going to put it on my edges too, y'all. So if you guys want thicker, fuller, healthier edges and healthier hair and reduce thinning from hair, you want like longer hair from root to tip, you want some slip when you're like trying to detangle your hair, especially if you're a curly girl like me. And this is one thing that I love about flax seeds, y'all. This flaxseed gel, look how it just smooths my edges down. Yes, look at that. Wow. And it's growing out my edges. I do not have edges this length before. No, because I used to wear weaves, and no, my edges were very short, and I'm retaining my length now, getting more length, and I'm loving this. Oh yeah, these flax seeds, y'all, it stops your hair from penetrating to going gray. Yes, it does. Google it. It's true. I am not lying. Flaxseed ain't no joke, y'all. So please try this DIY so you can get the results that I'm getting and maintain beautiful, long, healthy hair and speed that hair growth. Your hair is going to love this. I mean, love this. It's going to slow down breakage from your hair. It's going to just penetrate through your whole hair shaft and follicles, and you're going to see improvements in your hair. So once I apply it throughout my whole head evenly, I'm sitting under the dryer, you guys, because we are in winter now, and I'm not trying to catch a cold walking around like this. So I'm just going to sit on the dryer for only for 15 minutes, old school style, because I don't really like to use blow dryers. I like to use almost a little bit warmer than room temperature, and we're just going to evenly blow it out. Yes, it's safe to leave the flaxseed in your hair overnight, but if you have any irritation, please rinse it out immediately. You might be allergic. But look at the outcome, you guys. So this is what flaxseed did to my beautiful curly natural hair. 3C hair looks amazing. It's so much shiny and silky, and it really helped my split ends, you guys. I hope you try this DIY and other DIYs that I have. I'll list them at the end of this video. And this is my beautiful family, and please like this video.